All right, let's make the most irresistible lemon vegan bars you've ever tasted. These are zesty, creamy, and honestly, you won't even miss the eggs or dairy. First, grab a mixing bowl and combine 1.5 cups of almond flour, a 1/4 cup of coconut oil, 3 tablespoons of maple syrup. Stir it up until it looks like wet sand. Now, press that mixture into a lined baking pan. Get those edges. Bake at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for about 10 minutes, just until it's golden. While your crust cools, let's whip up the lemon filling. In another bowl, whisk together 1 cup of coconut cream, 1/2 cup of fresh lemon juice, a 1/4 cup of cornstarch, 1/2 cup of sugar, a tablespoon of lemon zest. Keep whisking until it's super smooth, no lumps allowed. Pour that sunshine yellow filling over your crust and pop it back in the oven for 15 to 20 minutes. You'll know it's done when it's just set, but still a little jiggly in the center. Let it cool, then chill it in the fridge for at least 2 hours. This step is key for those perfect, clean slices. Once they're cold, dust the tops with a little powdered sugar and slice into bars. The first bite, tangy, creamy, sweet, just a little bit magical. So, next time you're craving a treat that's light, bright, totally plant-based, you know what to make. Trust me, these lemon vegan bars are about to become your new favorite dessert. Enjoy!